Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure the Messenger app is updated and your internet connection is stable. Once done, sign into the exact account you use for those conversations. People often have multiple profiles. Now open Messenger and tap your profile icon to reach settings. This moves you from setup to action quickly because archived or filtered messages live behind these settings. Make sure you don't skip straight to inbox scans without confirming the right account and app state first. Next, use the search bar. Type a name, keyword, or phone number to force a result sweep across archived content. Once you find nothing in the main list, open archived chats and message requests. Facebook moves unknown senders into those areas. Make sure you inspect spam or filter folders too. Also review your inbox filters. Switch from primary/general to all. If a thread is muted or archived, unmute and unarchive it so messages reappear. This explains why messages vanish without delete. To finish, confirm sync across devices. Open Messenger on the web or another phone to compare lists. Sometimes local caches hide messages. Log out and back in to force a fresh sync, and toggle syncing options in settings. If you find the thread, mark it unarchived and move it to primary. If messages are missing everywhere, collect timestamps and sender names, then report to Messenger support. Make sure to mention steps you already tried so they can escalate the issue faster.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.